Let us do question number 6 now. Question number 6, working note number 1, basic data. Ready? Fine. Spot rate is 55.5 rupee per dollar. Six months INR interest is 10% per annum. 6 months interest rate is 10% per annum is 5% for 6 months. Everybody clear with this part? Then 6 months USD interest is 4%. So I'll write down 6 months USD interest. So this is RH. Why do I say this is RH? Because the exchange rate is 55.5 rupees per dollar. Rupee is the numerator. Hence, if 5% is the RH. USD rate is how much? 4. 4 is for 1 year. So 2%, this will be your RF. Okay. According to IRPT, what is your forward rate? So friends, what is the formula for IRPT? 1 plus RH divided by 1 plus RF is equal to forward by spot. So 1 plus 5% divided by 1 plus 2% is equal to forward divided by what? 55.50. Do I get the answer as 57.13 rupees per dollar, friends? 57.13 rupees per dollar. That is your forward rate. Yes, this is your answer. I hope you're clear with this question also, friends. Thank you so much.